friends! Thanks for joining me again today. I'm Kathleen Hansen, and this is my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. One of my most popular vocal warmups is 12 minutes long. Not too short, not too long. So today I've got another 12-minute vocal warmup for you. We're going to cover a pretty wide range today. Don't worry about it if you can't hit every single note, and feel free to switch octaves as you need to. Whether you're sitting or standing, take a moment to align your skeleton. Release your shoulders and neck. Now breathe in and allow your abdomen to expand and relax. And exhale. We really want to make sure that the head is aligned without the chin coming forward or tilting. This will allow the larynx to have the right amount of stability and flexibility to support the work of the vocal folds. Let's start with an NG sound today. Say sing. Now we're going to use that sound like to a hum. Teeth are apart, lips are together. We're going to sing. You should feel a nice buzzy vibration in the front of the face. Sing now on a lip trill, like vocal warmups for singers. I like to bring attention to breathing well, having the right amount of breath support and alignment, and making sure that the vocal folds are vibrating freely and efficiently with nothing getting in the way. This next exercise works on the latter. We're going to sing on the sound nya nya nya, like nya 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 nya. It's a naturally bright sound, so we don't need to add any additional tension to it. Let's try it. Nya 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 nya. 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 exercise, I want to make sure that you know that my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen mobile app is now out for all platforms. It's commercial free, it's really easy to navigate. I hope you'll check out the links below, and I appreciate your support of my work. Let's move now from an E to an A sound, like Nice work. Let's relax now into a sighing feeling as we sing on the sound saw, like saw, saw, should be feeling a little bit more nimble now, so let's work on some flexibility on the sounds money, money, mo. Money, 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 mo. Great job. Let's double check our alignment and do a couple of yawn sighs. Beginning yawn, and then exhale on a sigh. Again. Let's descend now on. Let's sing some free-form sirens and glides. Feel free to come with me or do whatever feels good for you. across our range on a va 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 sound like va 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 va. Try to keep the jaw and tongue fairly relaxed while using plenty of moving air. Va 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 va. 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 One more side down. Thank you so much for singing with me today. Let's do it again soon. I appreciate your likes, your follows, your subscribes, and I do hope you'll check out my app so you can take me with you and even save your favorites for offline use. I'll see you next time.